Important note, this video is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decision. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Here's your market briefing from Rumour with AI. Crypto markets are exhibiting a sharp divergence between established giants and altcoin momentum. Bitcoin holds steady at $60,171, acting as a volatile anchor while the broader CoinDesk 20 index climbs 2.7%. The real action is in the leaders. AAVE has surged 10.1%, outpacing the market with significant buying pressure. Meanwhile, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, rises 5.8%, riding the wave of renewed interest in legacy assets. This rally is not just about price, it is about volume. Real-world asset, RWA, perpetual contracts have hit record trading volumes, signaling institutional capital is rotating into tokenized traditional assets. The narrative is shifting from pure speculation to utility-driven growth. In the corporate sector, Barnes & Noble Education is making a definitive pivot. The company has declared its inaugural quarterly dividend of 8 cents per share. This is a strategic signal. It marks a departure from its previous growth at all costs model toward direct shareholder returns. The move follows its fiscal 2026 tuition restructuring, aiming to stabilize cash flow and attract income-focused investors. It is a clear message that the company is maturing. On the macro front, the U.S. economy presents a complex picture for Federal Reserve policymakers. Recent data shows U.S. consumer spending rising, but the driver is alarming. The increase is fueled by inflation, not income growth. Consumers are paying more for the same goods. This dynamic squeezes disposable income and limits the Fed's ability to cut rates aggressively. If spending remains tied to price hikes rather than wage growth, inflation could remain sticky. This data point will heavily influence equity market sentiment and bond yields in the coming weeks. Regulatory pressure is also intensifying in the crypto space. Polish authorities, supported by the FBI, have raided a SIM-swap ring targeting major crypto exchanges. 4 suspects were arrested in a telecom supply chain attack that laundered tens of millions of zlotys. This crackdown highlights the persistent vulnerability of user identity verification. It serves as a warning to exchanges to bolster their security protocols against social engineering attacks. Finally, infrastructure development is accelerating. Uniswap and Spark have migrated $150 million to build a new stablecoin foreign exchange layer. The protocol targets USDS, USDT, and PYUSD, aiming to streamline cross-border settlements. This move aligns with Citi's projection that the stablecoin market will reach $4 trillion by 2030. The race to dominate this liquidity layer is on. Looking ahead to today's release, there are no major economic calendar events with high impact in the next 36 hours. Markets are currently digesting the inflation data and the regulatory news. Traders are watching Bitcoin's $60,000 support level closely. A break below could trigger further volatility. Above, the RWA volume surge suggests continued upside for altcoins. The interplay between inflation-driven spending and crypto infrastructure growth defines the current landscape. Investors must weigh the stability of dividends against the volatility of digital assets. The regulatory environment is becoming stricter, but the technological foundation is strengthening. That's your market briefing. Follow Rumour with AI for daily market intelligence.